Hello friends, Namaskar. My name is Ajay and in this today's video we will learn how to change or remove proxy settings in Windows PC. I'm using Windows 10 Pro operating system for this tutorial, but you can use Windows 8 or Windows 8.1, any version, right? Then step will be the same. First click on start, where now you can type control, right? In search box you can see control panel. Just click on that, enlarge it. Now there is all control panel options, right? And we have to select internet options, right? In internet properties there is a few tabs, right? Like general, security, privacy, content, connection, program, and advanced. And we have to change proxy setting, so we have to select connections option, right? In connection option there is local area settings, right? You have to click on LAN settings, right? Just click on this checkbox, right? And it will highlight the address bar, right? Address box. So just enter your proxy server address. In my case it's 192.168.1.1 and port number will be the 8080, right? Okay, in advanced tab, right, you can add some exceptions. In my case, my local network is 192.168.1.0 up to 255, right? So I just add 192.168.1.st. * stands for any value, right? And after semicolon you can add any local domain, right? So in my case I'm adding abc.com, right? You can separate on this option by semicolon, right? So click OK, right? And okay, one thing to note is that in advanced option we add some exception, right? To use this exception you have to select or check this bypass proxy server for a local addresses, right? Now all set, and just click OK and OK, right? Now we have successfully configured our proxy settings. Keep in mind that you have to enter correct proxy server address and correct port number so you can access the internet through the proxy server, right? Okay, one thing to notice, I'm again opening the internet option, right? Go to connections and LAN settings, right? Now you can see it's saying use the proxy server for the LAN, right? This setting will not apply to dial-up or VPN connections, right? It means that you can use this proxy setting only for your Wi-Fi and Ethernet cable, right? If you are using a data card or if you are using some kind of a dial-up connection, then it won't work, right? For any problem related to a proxy server or address related issues, right, or your browser is saying that enter a correct proxy server, in those cases you have to contact your IT team, right? So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.